If you're looking to really get ahead in 2025, mastering key AI tools isn't just nice to have anymore. It feels pretty essential, actually. We're talking about tools that can genuinely enhance what you do.
Exactly. And what's really striking is how powerful AI is becoming, well, accessible for you. These aren't just tools for big tech companies anymore. They're genuinely leveling the playing field.
Right. Right. We've been looking at insights from Mastering AI for 2025, ChatGPT, NotebookLM, and Canva. And our goal here is to, dive deep into 3 specific tools that could really change how you learn, create, maybe even how you work day to day. Precisely.
Yeah.
So let's unpack these. First up, ChatGPT, often called an all-in-one AI assistant.
Yeah.
Master it.
That's the key question, isn't it? It's about shifting your mindset. Don't just ask it what, ask it how or why, or ask it to act as something like an expert reviewer or a debate opponent. You need to see it less like a search bar and more like a collaborator.
Ask better.
Exactly. It's about crafting those prompts carefully, maybe refining them a few times. It turns fetching information into more of a conversation.